Yes, children, in previous video we have discussed about some basic and formatting HTML tags, and in this video today we will discuss about some important topics of HTML, lists, links and tables. We will discuss in this video. First we are discussing about the types of list. We have three types of list in HTML: order list, unordered list and definition list. We have used many times bullets and numbering in our documents, bullets and numbering. In HTML, order list is called numbering and unordered list is called bullets, and definition list we are using first time in HTML. So first we see the syntax of order list. Order list, syntax of order list: OL and /OL. Between OL and /OL we write LI. LI means list item. It points where numbers and bullets are to be displayed. So if we are using LI between on and off tag, at the same place our numbering will be displayed. So the default numbering is 1, 2, 3. We have two attributes of OL tag: type and start. We have different types of numbering, and the starting position of this numbering is always 1. But if we want to change the starting position like this, then we can give the starting position at this place. So the syntax is OL type is equal to A and start is equal to 2. The numbering will start from B. Now we are discussing about the UL. UL means bulleted list. Between UL and /UL we are giving LI. At this place the default bullets will be displayed. Disk is the default bullet. We have three types of bullets in UL: disk, square and circle. Disk, square and circle. This is the syntax. UL type is equal to circle or disk or square. This is square, this is disk and this is a circle. Now we are using first time DL tag. DL and /DL, definition list. DT means definition term. Here we write the topic on which we want to write our definition. DD means definition description. Here we write the description about the topic. Now we are discussing about the types of links. We have two types of links in HTML: external link and internal link. An external link is basically used to link external files. A means anchor, href hyperlink reference, and the file name and its extension. When we click on this text, this file will be opened. Now we are discussing about the internal link. If we want to link different pages of the same document, then we use internal linking, but we have to assign the page number on every page like this. A name is the mandatory. This is the part of the syntax. This text we can change, but now I am giving page 1 to page 1 page number. Ahref is the same. Here we are giving the page number which we want to open. When the user will click on this text, this page will be open. This page will not be displayed on the web browser. Pointer will identify this page number. So when these two page numbers will be matched, then this page will be opened. Now we are discussing about the table tag. Table tag is basically used to create a table in HTML. It has many attributes like border. This is a very important attribute of table tag. It divides the table into rows and columns, and by default is 1, and we can change the border size also by giving border size. BG color specifies the background color of the table. If we want to give the picture background to a table, then we use background. It specifies the height of the table. Width specifies the width of a table. Align, if we want to display our table in the center, left or right position of the screen, then we use align. Cell spacing. Cell spacing means spaces between cells. And cell padding means the space between cell content and the cell boundary. I will show you in the diagram. Border color, it specifies the border color of the table. Now these are the most important elements of the table. If we are creating table, then we have to use these elements. Caption defines the caption, or we can say title of the table. By default, it is displayed in the center. It is displayed in the center and above the table. TR creates the row. TD creates a cell. TD means table data. It creates a cell. By default, if we enter some value, it is by default left aligned and display in normal format. But if we are using TH and we are entering the data in this cell, then by default data will be displayed in the center and in bold format. These are some common attributes which we can use with TR, TD and TH. Height, assign the height of a row or cell. Width, assign the width of a row or cell. BG color changes the background color of the row or a cell. Align, we can align our text within a row or in a cell in center, left and right position. V align means vertical alignment. We can give the vertical alignment. We can display our text in the top, bottom or in middle position. Now we can see the syntax. We can use one of them, TR, TD or TH. Background color, sorry, I have missed R in the spelling of color. Width 10%, height 10%, align is equal to center, left or right. And we align, vertical alignment means top, bottom or middle. We will use one of them. Now we see the syntax of table tag. Table border is equal to 5, BG color is equal to red, means background color of the table will be red. Width 70%, height 70% of the screen. Align, our table will be displayed in the center, left or right. Border color will be green, cell spacing will be 10 and cell padding will be 10. What is the cell spacing? These are the cells. Every box is cell. The space between cells, this space is called cell spacing. And cell padding, cell boundary and content, space between boundary and content. This is called cell padding. If we are using TH, then the text will be displayed in the center and in bold format. But if we are using TD, then the text will be displayed in the left and in normal format. If we are assigning table row color, then row will be displayed in this type of format. If we are using cell color, then this cell will be colored in this way. Now, row span and col span. If we want to merge two rows or more than one row together, rows or columns we want to merge, then we use row span and col span. Row span, it specifies how many rows are to be merged, and col span specifies how many columns are to be merged. This is the syntax to merge rows and columns. TH, table heading, row span is equal to 2. It means 2 rows will be merged. And TH, col span is equal to 2 means 2 columns will be merged. And the text of these columns will be this. Now, verticals are the columns and horizontal are the rows. Here 2 columns are merged and in this space 2 rows have merged. Now children, I think you are able to give the answer of every question of HTML. Thank you.